Welcome everyone to Quocduy channel. Today I want to review the SM1325A4 CNC router machine from the same brand. This machine is specialized in cutting, milling, drilling on various types of fork, such as MDF, MMT, industrial fork, and can also process high-strength laminated fork while ensuring stability and accuracy during the machine process. First, let's talk about the machine spindle. The machine is designed with four flexible machine spindle with a power of up to 6 kilowatt among wood material on the market today. The independent design of the four machine spindle make the machine more flexible. You don't need to waste time moving the tool machining with down. You need to waste time moving the tool changing chain like on the automatic tool changing machine. With three cutting tools, the machine can complete machining, cutting, drilling, and reacting actively, reducing production time to a maximum. The machine frame is solid cast and the high power machine system can hold the fork firmly on the table surface. During the machining process, on the machining axis, high rider by left-side servo motor and weight control system. Regarding machine control, we only need to know how to run 3D models and sketching software, arrange the fork, and export key code. Working company has improved our machine design and support you until you become complete. And if you have any question about the machine, please contact the hotline 0903 60113 for more user advice. Thank you and see you in the next video.